Hey guys, we're all prepared. We're going to Winterplay.
Yay! And it's just basically like an event where they have like frozen ice castles, dog sleds, hockey,
and we got our little gloves,
ice carvings, and we get to like just go walk around and see fireworks later on too.
Have some fun, and we're gonna film it on my phone because it is way too cold for my camera, and I apologize for that. But it's gonna be very cold out tonight.
It's too heavy to hold with a cold hand.
We don't even know if we're gonna be warm enough, so we'll see.
Got double pants and sweaters.
Winterplay.
What does it say? Shoot out on the snide.
On the snide.
Are literally
on the river. This is a river. All this.
Yes.
Oh, this is a river.
Now this is a lovely couch that they
MTV, welcome to our crib. Welcome to our crib. This is the lamp.
And we have a little Tim Hortons.
Oh, this is Tim's.
Tim Horton coffee mug right there.
And there's our chair.
And then
Matt, you got a real Tim's right here.
I got a Tim's.
And then what else is there? Okay, so this was a pile of something. Is it? I think it's a penguin. Let's see. It's a penguin, I think, on a.
That's really cool.
Wow, this is cool. Do you want to show us around?
So this is my castle. We have a little minion and some Bambi
things. Piglet, I think, is in the middle.
Yes, that's totally Piglet.
Got a little minion thing.
Careful where you don't trip.
I don't know what this
And
is.
this was a couch.
I don't think so. Yeah. It was like the other one.
That's some lights.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, Star Wars. What are they called? I forget. Stormtrooper. Right.
Take it slow and wait our turn.